Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Freelancer login issues, email and password errors step by step clearly. Open the Freelancer website or app and confirm you are on the official Freelancer.com login page. Check your internet connection by loading another website. Then return to the login page and refresh it. Type your email address again slowly and ensure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Confirm you are using the same email address you used when you created your Freelancer account. If you have multiple emails, search your inboxes for Freelancer to find which email received account messages. Make sure caps lock is off and your keyboard language matches what you normally use for your password. Re-enter your password carefully and avoid copy-paste to prevent hidden characters. If you must paste into a plain text field first, then paste into the password field again. Click the Forgot Password link and request a password reset to your correct email. Open the reset email and click the link on the same device and browser you are using to log in. Create a new password that is long and unique, and store it in a trusted password manager. Return to the login screen and sign in using the new password you just created. If you do not receive the reset email, check spam, junk, promotions, and any filtered folders. Add no reply or support addresses from Freelancer to your safe sender list. Then request the email again. If you see an invalid email message, verify the email format is correct and includes the right domain. If you see an incorrect password message repeatedly, stop trying for a few minutes to avoid temporary lockouts. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Freelancer.com. Then restart the browser. Try logging in using an incognito or private window to bypass saved sessions and extensions. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that may interfere with the login form. If you are on the app, force close it, clear the app cache, and update it to the latest version. Restart your phone or computer to reset network and authentication processes. If two-factor authentication is enabled, ensure your device time is set to automatic for correct codes. Use the correct 2FA method. And if you change phones, use backup codes or recovery options. If you get a security warning, complete any verification steps and confirm the login attempt is yours. Try a different browser or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network restrictions. Check Freelancer status or announcements to see if there is a temporary platform outage. If the issue persists, contact Freelancer support and provide your username, email, and screenshots of the error message. Do not share your password with anyone, and only communicate through official Freelancer support channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.